So my name's Matt, I'm the Area Operation Manager for Holcim Rooty Hill, looking after a lot of Western Sydney. Holcim reached out to Blue Diamond through Mitch Gim, who is our National Mobile Plant Manager. He does a lot of off-grid work, and rather than using generators, looked for an alternative way to power his off-grid sites. So Blue Diamond came back to us with a battery system and a generator to power our Rooty Hill site. Previously, we were running a 250 kVA generator that really struggled with the peaks of startup of conveyor belts and dust extractors. One thing we have found is that because the battery has the ability to deal with a much higher peak load, the plant runs a lot smoother. We don't have things trip out anymore because the battery can easily handle the peak amps for startups and shutdowns of loads. Because of that, we've also found that we can go to a smaller generator, which has reduced diesel consumption, reduced emissions, and runs a lot less hours a day than the previous large generator. So Holcim is always on the lookout to reduce environmental emissions, whether it be through reduction in carbon emissions or reduction in water usage. At the moment, we are looking at ways in reducing electricity usage, which Blue Diamond is helping us facilitate.